Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Showing lack of attention or boredom. The yawning congregation. Drowsy, oscitant. Gaping open as if threatening to engulf someone or something. The yawning mineshaft. With the mouth wide open indicating boredom or sleepiness. A yawning congregation. An involuntary intake of breath through a wide open mouth, usually triggered by fatigue or boredom. The yawning in the audience told him it was time to stop. Oscitance, oscitancy, yawn.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.